Rep the set, gotta rep the set. Chase a chick, never chase a bitch. Chase no bitch, mask on, fucking mask on. Hey guys, just a quick intro. I am going to be filming this look for you today, which is not completed yet, of course. This is what we came up with, so if you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Caylah. Welcome to my channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, I can never say that. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if you are new, make sure you subscribe with the button down below and comment what you want to see on my channel, and I will definitely do that. So, I need to cook in about an hour, so let me get right into this video. Okay, so with primed upper and bottom lids, we are going to take the SAHARAN 2 palette from Juvias Place and take the shade Fez and pop it in our crease and lower lash line. This color is a very rich, warm chocolate brown, and it can be built up to be like really dimensional, and I really love this color. I'm using the All I Want brush set from Morphe, and we're going to blow that out and intensify it as much as we can, since this is our base color. And there's not really a transition color in this palette, so I just wanted to make sure I got this blended out very well. I'm using two different brushes, and now I'm using the Sigma E48 just to get right into the socket. And now we're going to be taking this beautiful orange shade. It's called Taza, and it's a burnt orange, and we're going to be packing that right above where we packed the brown, and we're just going to blend that out just to give it some warmth. And now we're taking one of my favorites, the Essence eyeshadow base, and we're going to cut out our crease. I just place it on there, I look up until I get a line, and that's how I really usually on the regular do my cut creases lately. Some of my videos I've been freehanding it, but this is like the easiest way to get a cut crease and not messing up. And we're taking one of my favorite shades in this palette, Berber, which is this cobalt shimmery blue. Like, look, it looks like liquid foil. I wet my brush and I applied it to the inner corner of my eye. Usually I would apply this to like maybe the center or the outer part, but I really want to do something different. So like, look at this. Look how beautiful this is, you guys. And it went on like butter. It was so perfect. Like, oh my goodness. I do not have a shade like this in my collection at all. And we're taking my other favorite shade in this palette. I don't know the name of it. CHEFCHAOUEN. That's what it spells. But it's so beautiful. It's like a white with a blue shift, and we're just popping that in the center. And then we're taking Nomad, which is a beautiful burgundy shimmer, and we're going to pop it on the outside just to blend all that into the reds and the orange and the browns that we have in the crease. So I really want to do a look just using this shade and like doing like a smoky eye with it. It would be so pretty. And now we're going to take one of my favorite eyeliners. This is the Perversion Eye Pen from Urban Decay, and we're going to just put a little line in the front of my lash line just so I can blend my lashes into my real lashes. And now for some NYX glitter glue, we are going to make a wing liner with this. Just pretend you're making a wing liner and use this to make a wing liner so we can apply some glitter. For glitter, we're going to be taking my brand, Hidden Jewel Cosmetics. This is the shade Cold Blooded, and we're going to make a liner. I wish I would have did it more opaque, but I think I was like really tired this day. But we use Cold Blooded as some liquid liners, so definitely check out my Instagram down below. I will definitely be updating you on a website. I will link the website down below so you can be sure to try to, you know, see when we launch, because it's going to be soon, guys. I'm just making sure everything is perfect, that I have enough stock and everything like that. But now we are taking the roller eye bright pencil and just putting that in our waterline so we can brighten up our eyes. And we're taking the shade Aziza and popping it in our brow bone and inner corner. I don't believe I filmed the inner corner part, but I did pop it in there. And now we're taking my lashes from Major Hustle, and then we're going to prime with the Rose Glow from Revlon. I'll link all this stuff down below, guys, so definitely check out the down bar if you're interested on the details about these products. I'm still trying to see what I feel about this primer though.
And then we're taking the vitamin C lotion from Pixie. I wanted to see what this did under makeup because it's very, 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 very tacky. My voice just cracked. It's tacky when it dries down, and it definitely did what I thought it was going to do, which is make my LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation, which is in a light tan. It made it stick very well. Like, it was so, like, cemented onto my face. It was so flawless and so, like, airbrushed even before powder. So I really suggest getting that and using it as a primer because it definitely helped out a lot, like I thought it would. I know you guys haven't seen this concealer on my channel for a while. It's the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. This is like one of my favorites. It is so, I don't know, it's flexible, but it still has that coverage. It's just so beautiful. You should definitely check it out. It's only $6. They have it at Target, Ulta, everywhere pretty much. So check it out. We are gonna do some baking with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Banana Setting Powder. We're just gonna take it on our Wet n Wild brush. No, it's not a brush. It's not even Wet n Wild. It's our PRACKT beauty sponge. And we're gonna bake. And then I'm gonna sweep all the excess into my skin with one of the Juvias Place brushes. Now we're going to be using the Anastasia bronzer in the shade Mahogany. This is pretty dark for me, so I do tap off the excess, but I really like this color. Like, this color is so beautiful. I would definitely be picking up a lighter shade so I can really go ham with it, but I really just love how rich this bronzer is. Now we're taking the Dream Glow Kit from ABH, and we're taking the shade Regal, which is how I named one of my crested geckos. I named her Regal from this palette, and we're going to highlight. I really love this as a blush. This is one of the duo chromatic highlighters from NYX, but I really love this one as a blush. It's like a peach with a gold flip. It's so beautiful. It's definitely like, it really makes my face look really, really refreshed, and I love it so much. And we are taking this matte lipstick from Juvia's Place. This is shade DITU, and we're going to apply that. Look how beautiful this color is. Like, and this lipstick, like, I hope they come out with way more shades than this because, oh my god, I'm obsessed with their matte formula. So here is the finished look. I really love the lip eye combo. This is definitely something I usually don't do, but thank you for coming to watch, and I'll see you in my next video.
This game get fun. Top of God, that's a liability. Hit the gas, boosting my adrenaline, be fine. Percocet.